Hello everybody and welcome to Delcode. I'm Delcode and I'm excited to have you here, as today we're going to be beginning our journey with you into what is C programming, how it is done, till the basics, till the advanced. Whether you're completely new or just brushing up on your skills, this series which will guide you through the essentials of C programming from start to finish. In the first video, we'll be covering on what C programming is and how to set up your development environment using Sublime Text Editor and MinGW, and we'll write and run our very first program in C. So, instead of any further discussion, let's dive in. Okay, so the main question which is going to come to your mind is, what is C programming? Guess what? C is a fundamental programming language that has been around since the 1970s. It is known for its efficiency and is widely used in systems programming, embedded systems, and more. Learning C will give you a solid understanding of programming concepts and how computers operate at a low level. So, hope you understood the definition. You guys can note it down. You guys can just pause the video. Yeah, so now let's set up our development environment, where we'll be using Sublime Text as our text editor and MinGW as a compiler. So let me show you the setup. Google or whatever browser which you're using. Now you're going to be typing on Sublime Text download. So whether you're using Linux, Windows, Mac, yeah, you can just click on whatever it is. Now as you can see here, now Sublime Text download, so you can just go down. As you can see, these are all these bills, but there's no necessary on reading this. Just click on Windows, and as you can see, as I've already downloaded it and it's already downloading for me, you can just click on that and it's downloading for you. So after you're done with that, you're going to click on the run, and of course you can just click on it. Give me a sec, and the administration is going to open. After, just click on yes, and once that's done, you're going to see a pop-up on the screen which is, yeah, just click on next, and once you click next, just click install. For me it's already installed, so I'm not going to do anything. And once the installation is done, you can just exit setup, yeah, so you can just go and find your Sublime Text editor, which now I'm going to be opening.
A few moments later.
It has opened. So yeah, you can create a file, which I'm going to be telling you later on where you're going to create your first program. So once this is installed, you're going to install MinGW, which is the compiler for C. So next you're going to open a new tab, MinGW download. So once you type the MinGW download, you're going to see the source forge. You see this source forge? Just click on that, and once you clicked on that, you're going to click on you're going to click on download. And once you have downloaded it, you're gonna let me show you that thing. Let me open my file explorer, and once you downloaded that, you should be seeing something called as, where is it, yeah, GCZ 14.10, which is a version, which is the no debug version. And once you have installed that, what you're going to do is you're going to open that and you're going to extract it. And once the extraction is done, you're gonna, I moved it to my desktop, which is over here, and all of my documents. As you can see, I've already extracted the file and got this. So once everything of this is installed and you're able to see this, you're gonna change your environmental variables. So click on the bin, copy the location of where this bin file is. So I'm copying it, and now you're gonna search for in your Windows, you're gonna search for edit the system environmental variables. Once you've clicked on edit, you're gonna click on environmental variables, go to the system variables path, press on the edit, and press on new. whatever the file location is, and once you're done with that, currently I already have it in, so I'm just gonna close it. So once you're done with that, you're just gonna click on OK, OK, and OK 3 times, and boom, done. You got your compiler ready for your Windows. So now to check whether if the version is there or not, you're gonna open your command prompt. So once you've opened the command prompt, you're going to type gcc version. Once you're done with that, you're going to see this. And if this is not seen, well, yeah, try the installation again, and yeah, it should be there for sure. So once that's done, you're going to close it, and once everything of this is done, now once everything is done, what you're going to be doing is okay, yeah, let me come back. And suppose if it is not working, you guys can give a comment down below by saying that my min.gw has not been installed. And yeah, once if that is installed, and yeah, you know what, we can move on to our first program. Okay, so now we're writing our first program. So you're gonna open a new so no, what am I doing? Okay, so let's open a new file, and let's close my old file, which is no.
A few moments later.
Open a file, and you're gonna create a new file, right? You see this new file which you have created now? This we're gonna save as our first, what's my spelling? First dot c. You can see that we saved it as first dot c. This should give you all of the variable. Yeah, perfect. So once you got this, we're gonna write include stdio.h. So you might be wondering on what is stdio.h. This includes the standard input output library for using functions like printf and so on. Next, we're going to be writing our int main, our main, and we're gonna click on enter, open the brackets, and this main function is gonna define the entry point of the program. So in this, we'll be writing our printf function, which should be a printf open parenthesis. Now we're going to be writing hello world. You know what? Hello world is too basic, bruh. We're going to write I like donuts. So once this you have recorded, you're gonna type, what do you call this, semicolon at the end. So once you have typed the semicolon, you're gonna be returning this whole thing to 0, which I'll be telling you later on in our playlist. So once this everything is done, we're gonna compile this. So as this is my first .c, I'm gonna open my command prompt, and I'm gonna be okay. Firstly, I should change my file location to, as you can see, my first is. I'm gonna copy it and move it to my location where my command prompt is. It's yes, first, boom. Now we're gonna be typing our gcc first.c. And if it runs successfully, meaning it's perfect, and if any error comes, what is this? What's going on? Yeah, just give me a sec. Okay, so yeah, I got the problem and I fixed it. So now we're gonna opening our command prompt, and we're gonna write gcc, the name of your file, which mine is okk.c, which name field, just I don't care about the file name. So once that is done, you're gonna click on enter, and if it runs successfully, you're just gonna type a, because you can see in my folder there's an A. So this is the thing which you're gonna run now. Once you click A, boom, I like donuts. So yeah, well, yeah, that is your first C program, and so hope everything is fine. So yeah, let me just close everything. I guess this is basically, and that's a wrap for our first video, and we have covered the basics of C programming, set up Sublime and MinGW, and written our very first program. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the syntax and structure of C programs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to DevCode, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below, and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.